How to get all data in Google Authenticator lost to my phone. First, open your Google Authenticator on your phone and then open the QR code scanning section. Once you open it, open up your PC in which your Google Authenticator, Google account is. So this is my Google Authenticator's Google account. So what I can do is click on it. Once I click on my Google account's logo inside my Chrome, I can click on manage your Google account. Inside here, I can go on security. From here, I can scroll down and click on two-factor verification. After I do that, it's going to ask me to enter my Google account's password. Once I enter my Google account's password, I can scroll down and click on Authenticator. Now, in my case, I haven't set up an Authenticator for this account. That's why nothing is being shown. But if you have already set up a Google Authenticator app under this account or whichever Google account you're currently in, it's going to show you a QR code over here. You can scan the QR code. Once you scan the QR code, all of your previous code is going to be loaded back in your phone. That's how you guys can get access to your QR code. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.